Guys, TCL is back again with something really different, the NxtPaper 60 Ultra. This isn't your usual smartphone. This is basically a phone-tablet hybrid with a 7.2-inch display, stylus support, and some seriously crazy durability claims. But is it worth the price tag of 480 euros? Let's find out. Design and build. First thing you notice, this phone is huge. At 7.2 inches, it feels like you're holding a mini tablet. It's surprisingly slim at just 7.6 millimeters, weighs 227 grams, and TCL gave it IP68 water resistance, plus a tough Mohs Level 7 protection on the screen. So yes, it's big, but it's built to last. Oh, and it even supports a stylus, perfect for note-taking and sketching. Display. Now let's talk about that display. TCL is known for experimenting, and here we get their NxtPaper technology. Basically, it reduces glare and makes the screen look more like paper, really easy on the eyes. You're getting a 7.2-inch IPS LCD, 120Hz refresh rate, 1080p resolution, and up to 850 nits brightness. It's not AMOLED, but it's unique and feels very comfortable for long reading or content sessions. Performance. Inside, TCL put the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. That's pretty solid. It's not the absolute top-tier chip, but combined with Android 15, it's smooth enough for multitasking, streaming, and even some heavy apps. The big screen makes it feel like you're carrying a mini productivity machine. Cameras. On the back, TCL packed a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. On paper, that's impressive. You also get 4K video at 30 FPS. For selfies, there's a 32-megapixel front camera that can even shoot in 1440p, definitely better than what you'd expect from a company not usually known for smartphone cameras. Battery and charging. Powering it all is a 5200 mAh with 33-watt fast charging. TCL says you can get 50% charge in 30 minutes. Plus, there's 10W reverse wired charging, so yes, you can even use this massive phone to charge other devices. Not bad at all. Extra features. You've also got stereo speakers, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, eSIM support, NFC, and even an infrared port. TCL also claims it survives up to 180 free falls, has Class B repairability, and lasts over 1,000 charging cycles. That's a big deal for long-term use. So, for around 480 euros, the TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra is clearly not for everyone. If you want a sleek, compact phone, this isn't it. But if you love big screens, want stylus support, eye-friendly display tech, and a device built to survive real-life abuse, this might actually be one of the most unique options in 2025. And that's the TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra. Would you carry a 7.2-inch phone in your pocket? Or is it just too big? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.